Hello everyone, I'm Brandon with Lenovo, and I'm here today with the ThinkStation E32 small form factor workstation. Today we are going to be replacing the coin cell battery. This process will take about 10 minutes and it should be easy enough for anyone to do. There are no tools required, but a non-metallic pry tool might come in handy. Before we continue, we need to make sure that we are protected against electrostatic discharge, or ESD. Make sure to shut down the computer and disconnect all cables and accessories from the system. For further information, watch our Understanding Electrostatic Discharge video by clicking the link in the description. And now that we're ready, let's get started. Before removing the computer cover, we must first remove 2 thumb screws. So now we're going to press downward on the release latch, slide the cover towards the rear of the system, and remove it. Next, we're going to remove the fan duct. You just want to pull the 2 clips apart and lift the fan duct straight up and out of the system. Next, we're going to remove the coin cell battery. To do this, we just want to pull back on the clip to release the battery, and then reach in and lift the battery out of the socket. Here we have our replacement coin cell battery. Now we're going to place the coin cell battery into the socket, positive side up, and press down until the clip locks it into place. Now we're going to align the fan duct with the fan and press down until the clips lock into place. When replacing the cover, it's important that the tabs on the cover align with the holes in the chassis. So once you line those up, you just want to slide the cover forward. Now we're going to replace 2 thumb screws.